Wednesday, the 8th of May, 2024. We're here in Armuchee, the Armuchee Creek and the Steel Bridge, Iron Bridge. I'm not sure exactly what they call that here. We'll get a picture of it though. I think I have finally gotten this angle of the camera fairly close to being right. This head camera. You can hear the July flies. They're not overwhelming, but they are. You can tell what they are and what they're doing. They're singing their little lungs out. Had storms last night, so the creek is going to be high and stained. It was already a little high and stained. Yes, it is tick, sugar, mosquito, gnat, no-see-um, venomous snake. It is that season for all of them here in the south. I didn't bring the bug spray. It's in the van, but I didn't bring it with me. The bug spray will take care of some of that for you, but horse flies, black flies. And I've said this in videos before. I didn't know this maybe till about 6 months, a year ago. Only the female flies and mosquitoes bite you. The females need the protein to produce the eggs. The males do not. So the males eat fruit and stuff like that, buzz around, have a good time, while the females attack and suck blood. Those black flies hurt too. This is really pretty, even with it up and stained. Remnants, I guess, of an old mill are right down there where those rapids hit. Coming across, it may be the bridge, but you can see a foundation in the water down there. Let's turn it off and get a shot for a short video. Wish you could hear the July flies better. I have 3 videos from last week where you can hear them a lot better. We won't walk down there and disturb him. Nice place to sit. Poison Ivy, how you doing there? How you doing there, Miss Ivy? Oh, don't touch me. They need to get that tree off those phone lines, don't they? Need to get another board in there too. A couple of boards. I think you'll get a variety of smells walking in the woods. You've got privet up there that smells good. What is that over? That's privet there. You got honeysuckle down here. You hear the July flies serenading the females. The males serenading the females. Purple clover. Oh, perfect place for Mr. Copperhead, Mr. and Miss Copperhead. Dragonfly, boy, dragonflies are gorgeous. Can we get a picture of you? Can we zoom in and get a picture of you? Let's turn this off and see if we can get it. I think we got a good picture of the dragonfly. Don't know yet, we'll have to see. Yeah, see all this privet? It's pretty along the side of the road, but boy, every one of these have a little purple berry. It is invasive. It needs to be pulled out whenever you can get a hold of it deep enough and pull it out. It and Bradford pears. When's the last time y'all had honeysuckle? When you were a kid? They taste just as good as they did back then, folks. Y'all don't know what you're missing. Don't know what you're missing. Okay, this is probably a 4 or 5 minute video, 6, I don't know. We'll wrap it up. May hear this, the July flies a little better down this side. Oh, Miss Poison Ivy. Got moss. Moss and poison ivy. We're not going to go over and grab that moss. No sirree, we're not. No sirree, bobtail, are we going to go over and grab that moss? Get right down to the creek there. I guess that's as far as we'll go today. We'll go ahead and turn this off, wrap it up. Yeah, look at all this privet. Needs to come out. That's blackberry.